I spent the last 48 hours going through every video on AI automation agency so you don't have to. And I'm here to set the record straight. This video is going to give you a reality check. So if you can't handle the truth, then this video is not for you. Let us get started. With this hype about AI in this world, this AI automation agency thing has gone trending all over the world for the past few weeks. And all the tier 1 countries like Australia, UK, Canada, US have slowly started getting interest in this topic. So what is AI automation agency? AI automation agency is a business model where you work with other businesses to help them implement AI in their processes and workflows. So basically you help them save money and time with the help of AI integration in their current businesses. So what is all this hype exactly about? AI isn't anything new. Chatbots already existed. Automations already existed. Zapier, the automation platform, was created in 2012. This is not a completely new innovation, and the hype around it is absolutely insane. And here is the harsh truth. If you're a bad copywriter, you're still gonna give shitty results to your clients even with the help of AI. And if you don't know how automations work, you will have to put in efforts to learn how they work and how you can integrate AI in them. If you think you're gonna make hundreds of thousands of dollars overnight, then this channel is not for you. And instead of chasing a quick buck, go out there, learn some real skills, and stop running behind making money quickly, because there is no such thing as making money quickly. If there is nothing new, then what is the hype exactly about? Well, after the integration of ChatGPT, opportunities for this are extremely phenomenal, and here is why. People are scared and clueless about the whole AI space. Even if chatbots existed, automation softwares existed, but because of AI, things have gotten to the next level. Where does the opportunity exactly lie? There are 3 levels or 3 tiers as I understand the space. The number 1, creating AI-powered chatbots. Number 2, creating custom AI-powered automation solutions for businesses. And number 3, creating an AI consultancy firm. I'll give you the brief overview of all the 3 topics, and I will make a dedicated video for each one of them. Instead of creating chatbots that are basic in nature, start creating chatbots with the integration of AI like ChatGPT to take the chatbots from 10% of their efficiency to 100% of their efficiency. AI-powered automations. Automation softwares like Zapier, Make.com will be taken to the next level by the integration of these AI softwares. The possibilities here are truly endless. Creating automation processes for businesses to save their time and money. For example, I'm working on creating a LinkedIn auto posting bot where I will document the entire journey and I will post it very soon. On this channel, we are mainly going to be focusing on creating custom AI powered automations with the help of Make.com. If you don't know what Make.com is, make sure you check the link in the description. Number 3, AI consultancy. People are absolutely clueless. They want someone to help them navigate through the shit ton of AI tools out there. And this is exactly where you come in. You figure out the best AI tools for their use case and you help them in the implementation of these AI tools. That was just an overview. I will be creating a dedicated video explaining in depth for each of the topics above. About what high paying services to create, how to get high paying clients, and the skills required for each of the above mentioned. And subscribe if you do not want to be left behind in this AI race.